On iOS 17, Apple introduced customizable contact posters, which allows you to change the call screen animation and appearance when you make or receive calls. So today we are here how to create and customize your call screen animation on iPhone in iOS 17. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Contacts app on your iPhone and now scroll down and simply select the contact you want to customize. Now, tap on the edit option available at the top right corner. Then choose on the add photo or edit onto the contact images or name. Now, you can simply customize the poster. You can add a custom photo or image from a gallery, or you can use a memoji or create a new one. So you can see here are many memojis option available. But if you want to create a memoji of a human being, then you can also do that by tapping on the plus icon available there. Now you can simply customize your memoji according to your preferences. You can customize its hairstyle, you can customize its face, structure, nose, and as well as the clothes. Not only that, you can also add a customized photo of your memoji by doing the pose by yourself. Now simply tap on the click photo option available there and it is set. Now you can choose a background color or gradient to complement the animation. Simply tap on it. Also, you can customize the font style, size and color for the contact's name according to your preferences. So, after you have done it, simply tap on the continue option available there. Now crop it according to your preferences. Again continue, choose a background color and tap on the save option available there. Tap done to save the customized contact poster. So that is it. This feature is an excellent way to personalize your iPhone's call experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.